Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show how I add highlights and shine to the scheme. For example, in this photo I applied some frequency separation, if you can see here, and some liquify and vignette into the photo. Now I want to add shine and highlights to the scheme to look more 3D. For example, this is the dodge and burn layer, dodge and burn, and to add highlights you just want to see from where the light is coming, and in this case the light is coming from this side, from the right, top right of the photo, and this is the dodge layer, and we take a soft brush, 100% soft, and we need to see where the highlights are and to add more highlights. For example, here is a highlight and we want to add more. For example, this needs to be white, and as you can see I add some light there, but I want to lower the flow and to add it gradually. You see, here I want to add some sunlight. Highlights are or shine is just light, and so we have to add light where it is, because we want to look it natural, not fake. You see, I'm adding it here, for example, here to the chin, here, and maybe here, not so much. Here we add the shine because the makeup makes it look shiny, and we want that highlight there. Okay. Maybe some right here. See, small change. Okay. The secret is just to add more light where the highlights are or where they can be. Because, for example, if we don't add highlights here but we add here light, the photo will look flat. But we want the photo to look deep, like 3D. Okay. If we want to double the effect, we can just copy this layer and add more effect, but I think it's okay. And the only thing I want to do is to work with dodge and burn. here because I want to remove this shadow from this part of the skin. I don't know if you can look this from your screen. Okay. There's a small problem with the planning mode. It was mistake. Depends. That's good. Now if we want to add more, we can add more, but I think it's okay, and we don't need more of this effect. Maybe here some. Okay, it's okay. Maybe we want to increase the feather of this mask just to make more smooth the transition of the highlights. You see, just a moment. For example, it's like applying blur. Okay. See here or here, for example, the edges looks sharp, but we want to increase the feather to make them look more blurry. Okay, we press again Alt and click on the layer mask, the mask, and that's it. I don't want more of this effect. I'll make a group, and you see, maybe you don't want to add so much highlights to the skin, to this part of the skin, I mean, or if you want to remove some highlights, for example, if you have highlights here and you want them to look not so much, but to look less, we can work with the burn layer, and by painting on highlights we can remove the highlights, you see. But I don't want to do this. I want to keep this highlight as it is and to leave it there. So we make this layer invisible, because, or better if we change the color here 100% of flow, and we take it back. I did this because I want to work with the burn layer, and I'm coming here, click, change the foreground color. I want to zoom a bit more, and with 2% flow, or maybe 3 or 4, because I don't want to be so precise here. I want to make this, to burn this part, because I think I look better if send anything like this. Okay, that's it. For example, we can add some highlights. Oops, sorry. Highlights here. Or here. Maybe here some highlights. Here as well. This here, here. And that's it. I don't want to make any change of this picture. For me it's okay. Maybe I want to add some texture to the skin. I can edit with camera raw by adding some grain. You can see I want to zoom it because I want you to see. For example, this is the effect. You can increase the size, but I'm not going to increase the size. I want to make small size, not so small. Okay, 3 pixels is okay. The amount you can see, but not so much. Okay, maybe no, 50. It's okay. So roundness. Okay. Okay, 40, 45 looks good to me. And some sharpness, maybe 3 or 5. 5 it's okay. We don't want to play with colors. I think it's okay. Maybe I want to add a bit more to. It's okay. Luminosity. It's okay. Saturation as well. So I click OK here, and that's the result before and after, before and after, and after. Even this or the dodge and burn, we can call it dodge and burn, or adding shine, or removing shine. Okay, I show you all the process from the beginning. This is the before, this is the frequency separation. You see it's the transitions of the skin becomes more smoother. I applied some frequency separation in this part of the wall. You see, removing some shadows here, and this transition here, this color, you can see it. And now it's better. So in this layer I removed this thing over here, this, I think, this electric line. Okay, here it's some liquify. Here I did a small change, and here as well. So this is the dodge and burn to add some highlights to the skin, or even if you want to remove highlights, you can use dodge the burn layer, or if you want to add some highlights, you can use the dodge layer. So this is the dodge and burn, and here I applied the camera raw effects, the fake texture of the skin, if I can call it like this. And so if you want to apply this effect only to the skin, you can just create a black mask. So if you click here and press Command I in the Mac and just take a soft brush with white foreground color and paint to the skin like this. But I don't want to do this because it looks strange to my eye if I apply this effect only to the skin. You see? But if I leave it like it was, okay, I remove it and I make it all white. You see, you can see the texture to the skin, but it looks natural. It looks okay, and I like it like this. But if you want just to apply it to the skin, you can do it like this. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you for watching. See you to the next tutorial.